Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 X3. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, strut, regenerative braking system, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.